Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome to this edition of Meet a Misfit, where we are going to introduce you to the youngest member of the core Misfits team, Leroy. So come and check out what he has to say.
Hey, I'm Leroy, and I'm a Misfit. Before I joined Misfits Unified, I was quite a different person. I was a bit of a wuss. I felt like for a lot of my life I was a side character that now Misfits is helping me like step out into the open and show what I've got. To share my opinion and thoughts about things and raise my hand and say like what I actually think and feel and realize that I have good ideas. Being part of Misfits Unified is helping me find my ambition.
What you doing?
Making a little wolf.
Aww.
Baby wolf.
You having fun?
Great.
Before I joined Misfits Unified, life was kind of just like a bit flat. While I was studying engineering, I was not that interested for a lot of the time. Like, why am I doing this? And now I see why. It gave me a good conceptual way to like think about construction and how you create things. It's super cool to have that engineering experience, to know the strategy, but now I've got to do it more creatively. There is no cooler way I could possibly imagine to use my engineering degree.
Okay, so we're going to do a little test here just to make sure that the water drains.
I didn't feel that I could do art before Misfits. What I struggled with was getting inspiration for it. Deciding to become a Misfit, it's really helped me find and like hold on to that inspiration. And like, there are many times when I lose it, but being surrounded by all these people who are so inspired and we're creating like this amazing stuff together, it helped me find it again.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.